How to make your video look like a Hollywood film. Sony Vegas Pro.
How to make your video look like a Hollywood film. This is quite an easy process. So I've got a clip here and I'll show you what it's going to look like. So it looks very cinematic like. It's got the black bars and the tones, colour tones have been improved. Now before, to show you what it would look like before, it's a lot more plain. So you go back to the Hollywood style. So what I did to do this was I dragged my clip in, then I click on the event pan and crop. It comes up like that. Then I uncheck the lock aspect ratio. Then I get my left mouse on the top line of the video and I move it down. And this is where the black bars are going to be until you're comfortable with how much you want down. So if you look on the preview, I'll say that's roughly about right. You can also move it around a bit as well. If you left mouse hold down on the middle, you can move it up. In this case I just want it at the top of that building. And that's how you do the black bars. I'm now going to close that. So that's now film the black bars. So to change the colouring to make it look like a Hollywood film, you click on this one here, Event Effects, or you can right mouse on the clip and select Video Event Effects. Then you left mouse click on Colour Corrector. You see it appear there. Click OK. What you want to do, you don't want to change any of the colours here. Go into the presets, set red midtones, then close. So now I can play it back. You can see it looks a lot better than what it did before just by changing those little things. And that's it. Give it a try.